Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I have to go grocery shopping and it wasn't planned. I'll tell you what happened. So I was planning on going to the nearby store to get some Honeycrisp apples because they are on sale. And I have been juicing back there some celery juice for health, healing properties, all that fun stuff. And since it's just celery juice, it's very easy to do. So I come downstairs to take my son to the bus stop, which is about a mile away, and the refrigerator was open all night long. So we figured out that the first top layers of the refrigerator were pretty much room temperature. So let me show you how much we had to throw away. That was a lot. So I made a list of all the things, or my son helped me make a list of all the things that had to get thrown away. So now I have to go buy them and a couple other things on top of that. We have a week, this weekend we're getting with some friends. So I want to make funeral potatoes. So those are cheesy potatoes, by the way, and I'll try to link that video below. I will, not try, I'll do that. So let's go to the grocery store. So I wanted to show you what our refrigerator does look like. Oh, Lanta. So here we go. Here's our local store, so we're gonna go shopping. This is the good price I was telling you about. Yes. Only down the aisles that have nobody in them. Look at these ice creams. Okay, so that says apple cider. Has anybody had that? And is it good? I don't know. So a guy just came by and he gave the boys Golden Knights rings. Probably because they're matching with their shirts, and tonight's a good game for them, right? I don't know if it's the first game of the of the series or whatever, but they are excited to have a ring. It's the best day ever. They gave you a cookie? No. Oh, you guys are just spoiled. Okay, you guys. I went to Vons, and normally it tends to be an expensive store, but I did pretty good. So my total was $225, and then I inserted my club card, and it went down to $165. So I think I got a lot of stuff for that amount. So let me show you what I got. So the whole reason I wanted to go is because those apples, like I showed you, were half off. So instead of getting like 3 apples for $6 or $5, and these ones are my favorite, I got double because I am trying to have an apple a day. So that's good for me, and it helps with the sweet cravings. And sometimes I put peanut butter on it. I also got some broccoli, and I got 6 of these. So I got 6 celeries because I'm juicing celery. Like I've said behind me, I have my fancy juicer, and it's really just been helpful just having like a little more than a cup. We're probably gonna start introducing some more this next week, and it's just been helpful. So I had a headache one morning. I wake up with them a lot. I had my celery juice first thing in the morning, went away. Did not have to use Excedrin, which I should own stock in because I use so much of it. So this I'm happy to try. I bought this pumpkin for my classroom. This was $5.99. I'm not gonna probably tell you everything, but I know it's a little bit on the pricier side. I know they'll go on clearance soon. But for my classroom, they're going to have dry erase markers and draw little faces and do some wiping off and cleaning. It's super fun. So you have kiddos, you want to keep them busy, let them color on this with dry erase markers, have them wash it off, and then you can just use it for outdoor or carve it later. I got a head of lettuce, and I'll tell you why. Well, it's obviously going to be for salad or for hamburgers. And then I got some potatoes. So like I said, we're having hamburgers, and we're going to do them tomorrow. So I bought just some fries and some onion rings. We are feeding the sister missionaries tomorrow, so I just thought that would be easy. Okay, so this was half off. So it was $5 for 10 burgers. Yes, that's a good price. And I just bought another ground beef. I like to get it lean. And then they had the sale. So if you shop the sales at these more expensive stores like Vaughn's or Albertsons or Ralph's, if you have that near you, sometimes they have really good deals. So Paul's been wanting to do some steaks. Do you see that? Buy one, get two free. So I got 3 of them and it cost me $16.59. So that's not too bad, right? Like $5-6 or so, a little over $5 for each pack. It's good. And we might not even barbecue them all at once, or maybe we will and have them for lunches the next couple of days. So I had to replace most of our dairy. So I got some milk, which I used to always drink fat-free, and now I've moved back up to 2% because I just figured if we're using them for recipes, we should just get it as whole as possible, so to say. And it did take me a little bit of getting used to, but I don't really drink milk except if it's in cereal. So I got some spreadable cream cheese because you'll see back there I have some bagels. And I got a couple of these sour creams because I'm making a recipe. I think I told you I'm making the funeral potatoes, which are like a cheesy potato dish. It's such a great side. Good for like if you're taking it to somebody's house for a potluck. It's a good one. So also we had to get rid of Paul's vanilla yogurt, and it made me sad because it hadn't even been opened. Okay, I have some Cool Whip and a graham cracker crust. I wonder what I'll be doing with that. And some cheeses. This will go into the potato dish, and then maybe some extra medium cheddar to go in there. Plus, I had to throw away a Costco size of lunch meat. So it was like 3 pouches of this. It just made me sad. Okay, so I had to get some more. And this was actually not too badly priced. It was $5.99, and it has turkey and ham. I just replenished our eggs, so I got some more of those. Here are the bagels. My favorite thing to eat is bagels with cream cheese, toasted, of course, with sliced tomatoes and lemon pepper. It is my favorite. And if I could get a good everything bagel, it's got a lot of flavors and the kids don't like it as much, so they will not eat it. But with these ones, I think I could eat one for myself and then make one with like jelly or some jam and butter for the other kids. And it's good, but everything bagels. Let me know if you love everything bagels. I got some cream of celery for an upcoming recipe. I love having pumpkin on hand, and I go through it a lot. I can't even tell you how many cans of pumpkin I've used, and it's already October 1st. Probably 10. And I'm not joking. So I have vegetable oil, and we have some diet cherry 7-Up. My husband and I, we don't really drink a lot of soda, so if we do, we'll have some Diet Sprite or Sprite Zero. So this was on sale. Thought I'd just get one. Okay, so I have some of these, the Southern style hash browns. I'm doubling the recipe for the cheesy potatoes, so I need these. I'm actually going to start making them tomorrow night, so we aren't going to need them until Saturday. So this is Thursday, so Friday. You'll see this tomorrow. And I'd like to have these come to not room temperature, but in the refrigerator so they're not completely frozen. It lets it absorb all the mixtures just so much better. I also let Jonas pick a little treat for his lunch. So he wanted peaches and cream. And I got these. I don't normally always get the Eggo My Waffles, but these were on sale. And I have lemon curd, and a couple of you suggested putting it on waffles. So strawberry and lemon sound pretty good, don't you think? I also got some more of these for pumpkin muffins if we make some, or we've been adding them into like some mini ones. I have some mini ones into homemade waffles. Those are super yummy. I have some lemonade frozen concentrate. And my son saw this and loved these. These Reasons, these dark chocolate, like caramely. They're so good. 50 cents each. So we got 4. We'll just put them in the drawer and let them have it after school. But the reason we were in the candy aisle is because I wanted to get a bag of my favorite candies. So next Friday is my birthday. And I'm doing carpool, so I said I would bring treats. So I'm gonna make just some easy chocolate cupcakes. So I had to get those and the little liners. So I wanted to slice up some Milky Ways on top, just make it a little decorative and make it super yummy. Maybe I'll put one in each one before I bake it. Starting to get some ideas. So I know the kids will love that. And I'm also using that snack for my classroom as well. So I'm near the end. I got some toilet paper and some paper towel rolls. Those paper towels are going to be going into a donation bin for our classroom. We are helping to donate a lot of paper goods to a nearby soup kitchen. We do it every October, so I got to start putting things in there, and you'll see me kind of throwing in some paper goods into my hauls. I also got Ezra some more of these. He really loves these. I couldn't find regular pretzels, so I just got like the honey ones. My kids really love pretzels in their lunchbox. I just got some more bananas, which means, I don't think you can see them, but they're back there. They're starting to ripen, which means more banana bread. I also got some potato chips. Now, the Vaughn's brands, like so this pretzels and the chips, their brand is 3 for $5, so $1.67 or so each. I think that's what it comes out to be. So what I do is I crunch these up and just put them on top of the potato dish, so it gives it a good crunch. And last but not least is a combo. So I have some lemon sparkling water. Let me know if you like drinking sparkling water. I know a lot of people do not, and it kind of took me some time to get used to when I started a few years ago, but these ones are pretty good if you add a little something to them. And I've learned that this cran pineapple is so good splashed in it. So if we put it in a cup with some ice, it's super good. And MV, I love it. So we've gotten it a few times now, and I'm so happy to put it in some sparkling water or even half and half water with this juice. So it's a good little combo there. And like I said, everything, I think I did pretty good for $165. And honestly, that toilet paper was more than I thought it was going to be. It said it was on sale and it didn't ring up as a sale. So, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. So our nearby grocery store is kind of the place I just run to get, a bag of this or a couple of those. I don't usually do hauls there because I tend to think it would be too expensive, but I think I did pretty good for $165. So, thanks for stopping by, and I'll remember now to double check the refrigerator doors before I go to bed. So thanks for stopping by and visiting my channel. I'm so glad that you're here, and I really hoped you like to see what things I purchase, and maybe you'll try some new things as well. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. So much better.